Here's my new curling wand that I ordered for myself. I obviously didn't use it yet. This is just like for my hair being in a scrunchie, but I wanted to show you how this arrives. This is a really nice box for starters. And then you've got the wand, which I love the pink. Even the wand is pink. That's fun. It's nice and lightweight and very easy to hold, and it feels nice in your hand. I see there's only one button, so you're not going to be able to change settings or anything. We've also got a glove, which I don't know. I can never get used to using the glove. I usually just burn myself, but you should use the glove. So here it is. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in and test it out. This is the 25 millimeter wand, so I think that's a good size. Pretty sure that's what I like to use in my hair. Okay, I'm gonna show you this wand. I have to look in this mirror though. If I look at the phone, I'm probably gonna burn the heck out of myself. I'm just doing really loose waves, so I'm not even sectioning out my hair properly. This is the second wand that I bought because my old wand that I had for like 15 years it got so hot, but it would hold the curls like forever. And especially in my hair's really like fine, doesn't hold curls well at all. So it got really hot where it would hold the curls. The one that I just bought before this barely got hot. I'm like, you know what? If it's not gonna severely injure you if you touch it, it's not gonna hold a curl. That's my theory. So this one does get really hot, and I should be wearing a glove, but I don't. But wear a glove. It comes with the glove too. And you know what? Just get used to it. I feel like they don't want to put really hot ones out there anymore because people don't use the glove, but just protect yourself. We need it hot. So I'm doing giant chunks of hair, which doesn't always give like the best looking curl, but once it all calms down and everything, I'm usually pleased with the look. Yeah, see? Just need a little bit of a wave because I don't like when my hair is just laying straight next to my face. There we go. I now have a couple Lange, I think that's how you say it, products. I'm really happy with them. So I'm very glad to find a brand that works well across the board. Yeah, and I did return that one that I bought that didn't get hot, in case anybody needs to know that. I didn't put anything in my hair either, like no spray or styling anything. And I'm not trying to pretend like I am a hairstylist at all. I'm pretty sure I do not know how to do my hair properly. Just showing you what works for me. I'm older now too, I don't really care as much. I also don't even know what's in style right now, to be honest. I'm just trying to hang on to my long hair for as long as I possibly can, but the aging is happening, so we'll see. Okay, so there we go, and then obviously get it separated. I just like when there's some movement around my face instead of the straight down. I feel like it hides things better when something's going on. So yeah, that gives me just the wave that I want. Didn't take long at all because I do those giant sections, and that's what I wanted to happen. So I'm very pleased with this wand, and I'll be buying more of this brand.